I don't know what to do for a video. Man, I don't know what to do. Here, stand right here real quick.
Right here?
Jump.
What?
I said jump. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today in this video, we're getting another VHS tape. And that one is the lab. And
Yep.
if you want to know what that looks like, it's that one all the way up there. And me or him do not know where it is, and we don't know where the lab is. So this is going to be a journey, but I bet we can do it. And in this video, we are going to be getting the sewers tape. It is the hardest tape to get. At least that's what Google said. So we packed our bags and we got everything that we need. Why am I looking up at the thing trying to pick stuff? Okay, you got your stuff.
Yep.
What are you doing? Okay. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so first of all, I think that the lab is right here.
I think it's right there. And it's literally,
it's right there. But the thing is, when you go into like the reactor, not the reactor place, but when you go in there and you try to turn right, because that's where it is when you turn right, it's closed off. So.
And we already tried doing up there easily, and it doesn't work.
And it's a border.
Like, yeah, so we actually have to do it.
Yeah, we actually gotta do this. So, let's do this.
Let's go.
Waylon does not have a hip slot, so he can't get up. So, you're gonna have to just, like, put something in your back. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What is happening? We're going up. I'm not saying up. Okay. Now, it's gonna be right, but we can't go right. So
we gotta go this way.
I think it's this way. Because the reactor, like, showroom thing is, I know how to do this part.
Take my weapons.
I'm pretty good at some stuff. But the key card with this room.
Yeah. Get
It's
up
here.
I got it.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Well, I got
even get up here.
I got the key card.
What? That's not the key
I
card.
got the key. Turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I think this is. That one's mine. That one's mine.
Oh. Can you follow all my stuff?
Where'd my flashlight go?
It's right here.
It got stuck. Crawling through the tube.
Oops.
I have never been. Oh, there's a blueprint or something. This has to mean something. Oh, why did I get that? Okay. Let's go.
I'm gonna shoot it. Or no, I'm not.
What? I've never been in here, so we're gonna explore a little too. It's gonna be a very long. Oh, look! Look, there's a VHS tape.
Oh! How do we get in there? I think we just go up.
Lab?
Yeah, we go up.
Is this the lab? It's the reactor security. You wanna go put this back in? This is gonna be a 3-in-1 video. It's gonna be a 3-in-1 video.
Alright, I'm gonna put this in my... Okay, heart skeleton, I'm gonna have to take this from you.
Alright.
Skeleton, can you... Hey! Thank you. Finally let me have it. Freaking greedy guy. Hey, I should go in there.
Okay. Waylon, what are you doing?
Okay, I guess I can't put it in my bag.
You can't put the VHS tape in your bag.
I never knew that.
Here, just give me.
I'll
take your revolver. You just put that up.
Alright.
let's go. This is gonna be a 3-in-1 video, actually. Okay, I'm gonna keep this key card just in case.
Yeah, okay.
Alright. So that's how you get the reactor security thing. Because it's not fasten me, boy. It's actually catching up. Oh my gosh. Just to let you guys know, the button isn't there for me, so it's glitched. Okay. I think this is the reactor thing. Reactor secure. Boom! Where's that at? Right here. Wait, what is this one? What the?
Is that a tree? You're looking at
It's like a tree. It looks like a tree.
Where is the reactor? That's it.
But I thought the only tree was that tree.
Yeah,
There's another tree. Okay, let's go find the lab. Oh wait, here's your revolver.
Let's go. Oh yes.
We're doing this old style, guys. We can't have grapplers.
Yep.
That's what we said to ourselves. Well, we can have hip slots, but he doesn't have. Sadly.
Yeah, because he stole mine.
But you just started like last week.
Well,
Literally
I'm
last
so
week. This is a Darman video now. Where is he at? There. Watch out! Okay. I don't think that thing should be on. I about said I don't think that thing be on.
Should be.
Yeah, it's not on. Well, I was going to turn it on so you would get your stuff stolen. All right, this time we're gonna go over here. We're gonna see if we can find any more.
What the?
I actually did not know that was there.
That.
The one thing.
I'm checking under this.
Yeah, to get the microwave one, we have to do all this thing. That will take a while.
Yeah. Maybe in here?
Okay,
Can
so
you go
let's get this code. 3669.
No.
Alright, you gotta run through those so those eyeballs don't move. You can't shoot them. Wait. Actually, I think you can shoot them. Oh yeah, you better let down, boy. Oh shoot. Alright, go. Alright, the robot dog is here. So.
Oh crap. Why is he gonna be here?
Yeah, this is the area that he's in. Alright, which way are we turning? Are we going straight or are we going right?
I feel like this way looks a little bit more
I've been
scary.
over there before and yeah, let's just do it. This is actually scary. I've never got scared in an animal company. I've never been here. Alright. Is this the lab? Is this the lab?
I mean, I think Greg is. I always get scared of Greg because it's stinking laughing. I hate his. Oh,
I don't
think
really know if his name's Greg or not. I just call him Greg.
Well, I like
Spock.
I used to.
Okay, what is this? Oh, look,
This
over here.
looks like a
Over here. Uh-oh.
I heard something.
He's over
I
here.
couldn't tell. Oh. Oh, did you die?
Shoot him.
He's dead. He's dead.
Oh, he's dead.
You gonna die?
Let's go.
He's dead.
There's another one.
Oh, there's another one.
What? I just died. There's like a barrier or something. Wait, revive me.
How do I?
Revive me. Wait. Don't want.
I feel like I'm gonna hit the barrier.
Don't want too far.
Okay.
What the heck? Don't go over there.
That was weird.
Animal Company, you gotta fix that.
Yeah, you gotta fix it. I don't know what the.
Is that just the old? Is that the old robot making that?
I might get the. What do we get?
Here,
Nothing good?
put this in your gun.
Alright.
What?
What?
Why am I getting killed?
I'm scared to go over there.
What?
Stop.
Oh crap.
Stop. Stop.
Huh?
Let me help you. Stop.
Bro, I don't think we're supposed to go this way.
Stop. Stop.
Let's go back. What is? I think I just. There's a.
Is there another place?
Did we go the other way?
Is there? Oh, there's just another place. There's another place.
Oh.
I am mumbling my words.
Whoa.
Crap.
Stop. Stop.
It's this place. I've seen this place before. Can we go down here?
I got him.
Alright. Go. There's some monster. There's a monster. Wait. No.
Alright, let's go over here. I don't even know if I had any. Over here! Oh wait, you're right there.
Alright, come. Yeah, I'm right here.
Which way?
I feel like
There's another place over there. But this place doesn't have anything. Yo, I
guess
feel like we're missing something.
maybe we went. Hold on. What is that? Oh, watch out. Alright.
Is there something up here?
I'm checking up the stairs.
There's another dog.
Oh crap. Alright,
It just said 10 seconds, I think.
Be in touch.
Oh, you can't find me.
Oh.
Stop.
Well, he crashing out.
What the?
I'm up here. Alright, is
Where
there
you
something
go?
over here? Bro, we gotta be missing something. Yo, I feel like that way that we were going was the right way.
Alright.
Alright, let's just speedily go over there. Don't fall down there.
What if it's in here?
In here?
You think it'll be in here?
I mean, let's
Where we go?
search. Ross, I think I'm gonna like weirdly die again. And you're not gonna be able to
Can we
get
go
it.
back? Like back? Like I'm saying.
Wait, over here.
Stop. Stop.
Be careful, because that's where you
Stop.
died 3 times for some reason.
Stop. You are going to hurt yourself.
You died like over there. Where you're back.
Stop.
Just be careful.
Stop.
So is there a robot over there?
You are going to hurt yourself.
Did you see one?
Stop. I'm wondering. Stop. Stop.
Over there?
Guys, I'm sorry, but
What?
oh my, what?
Stop.
I'm
What
sorry,
the heck?
but we're not finding anything.
Stop. Why are you?
Might be-
Okay.
What?
What?
Wait, do it again. Do it again.
Stop.
How am I? What?
Okay, I kind of moved over, so I might not die.
Let me know.
How are you not dying?
Stop.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
gotta move carefully. This is like a maze.
Stop.
Wait, what if it is a maze? What if it is a maze?
Oh, and you die? If you,
And you die. It's an invisible maze. I feel like I'm making up stuff.
just die?
What?
Oh! You good? You die? Where'd he go? I hear him. I don't know.
Stop.
There. Maybe.
Bro,
What was that one where
we're
you
not
said?
finding anything. Bro, this
Let's go
has to
away,
be the
baby.
lab. Wait, what if we went right? What if we went right?
Let's go right. Let's go right.
I'm gonna weirdly die again.
Oh,
Alright, I better not die. You might want to stay with me.
I don't.
You gotta be my
Oh.
babies.
Alright, I'm good.
What is this room for? Wait,
Oh,
can you
this
crawl
feels
up one
like
of
the
these?
lab.
Can you crawl up one of these? No. Bro, this has to be like a lab.
This looks like a lab.
Bro, I feel like that observing area would be a lab. But
This looks like the place that we saw that like big, lab place.
I wish we were here for the lab update. Where's the lab?
Oh yeah, that would've been good. Maybe it's like in one of these places, and like I don't know what to call them.
Bro, it has to be in that place that I was dying. It just
I
has
don't know.
to.
Like,
Stop. Stop.
I figured out the boundaries.
Stop. Let me know.
it's like an.
Stop. You are reaching.
I don't get how I'm not done.
Stop. You are reaching.
They're
any
upstairs.
state
There's a
level.
there's a thing upstairs. All right, you go through there. You go through there and see if you die.
Why are you running? You are going to hurt
Wait, let me
yourself.
try.
Why are you running?
There's something over there.
Stop.
Let's go up
Oh, I
here.
didn't die.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, I
Are
died.
you running?
What?
Stop.
We both died.
Stop.
How?
Stop.
This is so weird. Well,
Let me know.
Bro, this thing's stuck up here.
Stop.
Wait, let's just
Stop.
explore with our bodies.
Stop.
oh yeah.
Stop.
Keep going
Stop.
down here.
There's no.
Bro, wait, there's another.
Stop. Why are you running? Stop.
There's
You are
nothing.
going to hurt yourself. Stop. Stop. You are reaching any safe level.
Yo, where? Oh wait, it's Chubbier the snail.
I'm your friend.
Yo!
Stop.
How you doing?
Look at him.
You're running.
I want
Bro, you
him,
know where
but
the-
we keep dying here.
Yeah.
Stop.
Bro, you know where the.
I died. Well, I respawned. Okay. Do you want to go like get a different one?
Yeah, which one can we get?
I mean, I want to stick to the video, but I don't know where the lab is.
'Cause
So, just wait. Listen. Brave the radiation. That's that place. Chubbier the snail. Right here. So, it looks like at the reactor security, we have to go here. Which I think
okay.
this is the microwave. And if we go
So-
to the microwave, we gotta get here. But, I don't know. Wait. Wait. If we go here, we can go this way. And we're at
Oh, wait.
some place. Wait, that's where we were just at. This is... What? What is this? We gotta enter from something up here. No, wait, we enter here. No, the tape is right here.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what?
So,
Wait, so we do this.
what is this even? What is this?
What
not
even
the
is
lab?
this?
Like, what if it's just like the factory? I don't know. Hold on.
The factory? Is there a factory?
Is there?
Factory.
I feel like there would be a factory. for some
Support
reason.
facility.
Maybe.
Yeah. Reality facility? Is that what that said?
There's the haunted
Reality facility, haunted house, edge of reality, frozen
foundation.
gold. I know where half
I
of
don't
these
know what-
things are. So let me tell you where I
Office.
know where they are. I know where this one is. I know where the frozen vault is. I know where the frozen vault is. I know where... There's one that says daycare.
Yeah.
Do you just... Here, let's just go try to find it. You just want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. This is gonna do a dent, Waylon, but... Actually, let's just do it this way. This is the latest stuff. Okay. Alright, take the Viper shotgun.
Alright.
Oh, I like that thing. That's cool. Okay.
I found it.
We're going in there again. But we're going with all the new stuff.
We did say no hook shot, but I mean, like, we can't
Not
even
anymore.
find
We
it,
can't even do it. So I
so-
need
I mean, like,
here, take a bag. Oh wait.
alright.
And then what else could we get that could help us? We could get this video is gonna be so long.
Yeah.
I mean, I think we could get one of these. I could hold this. Wait, are you there? Okay. I think I'm by myself. So let's do this. No. You left. Alright. Nothing's stopping me. Wait, can I leave this in like my side? Oh, wait. Are you kidding me? Can I use one for my stash? Look at this idea. I can still aim, but if I want to see something on the map, I can still aim, but... Alright, let's do this. I think he's gone. Let's do this. Alright, I'm doing this. Oh. Wait, you can grab it onto this? Well, if I knew that, I would already be up here. Alright. Lab. Where would I go? Over here. that's the microwave. Microwave is there. So if we go forward from that. Are these things even do anything to me? Ow, ow, ow. Oh. If any Animal Company person watches, I doubt it, but we need to fix that. You can't find me. Seriously.
Stop. Stop. You are going to hurt yourself. Let me help you.
Are you kidding me?
Stop. You are reaching
there,
and
that's a
you
bunch of
saved the
animals.
workflow. Now I will handle it. You are going to hurt
I
yourself.
sound like that's way too
Now I will handle it.
low. Alright. If I was alive. Wait. If I was a lab, we're in Hawkins. Except we're not in Hawkins. Alright. Radiation area. Blah blah blah. I don't care about that. I mean, it's gotta be through there, bro. But if it's through there, we would be on this side when we looked at it. But since we moved over here, we're in the right place. But we gotta go straight. So the only way we can go straight. I think I just cracked it. Yeah, I just cracked it. We gotta go through there. But the thing about going through there, we gotta find a wheel. But I'm too lazy to find a wheel. So seriously, dangerous, do not touch energy. Password. This is gonna be the longest video that I ever post. But if you guys want to skip through it, I'm definitely stopping this at the end. Alright, so I already know if you go over there it kills you. Even though if you escape. Go straight. Is this the lab? This has gotta be a lab. Look, there's a chair and everything. It is an outlet lab. I don't know what this place is. I didn't know if I could open it. broken, choose the honesty of the home. We keep doing this. Okay, I'll be using this. So, is there just anything here? So, if I just entered, I could go up here. As you guys can tell, I have not watched any videos on this. I have only been here twice. Most YouTubers, if they couldn't find something, they would stop doing the video. But I'm not giving up because this isn't just for you guys. This is for me too, because I really want to find this. You can't grab all these. Thought they were metal. Is there something up here? What? Okay. That's purple. Purple means music. So, just was I right? This is not a microwave. Well, we found the microwave, guys. So you're not leaving with nothing. So. Not leaving with nothing, but you ain't leaving with the thing that you tried to get. By the way, guys, I'm going to find it offline and when I'm not recording. So, I'll show you where it is. Because I'm going to find it. And so, let me show you guys what I mean by can't get over. So, if you guys just click, I'll step on perfectly too. Boom. Boom. I move slowly. But get the microwave thing, but you didn't leave with what you wanted, so that's gonna be it, guys. And I'm out. So guys, this is edited in, but I am pretty stupid because the lab, this is the lab. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry guys for that big video, but you got the microwave tape, so